Let us discuss a problem on multiple integrals. In that, the problem is find integral, double integral, x plus y whole square into dx dy over the area bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Here, first of all, they didn't give the limits. We can find out the limits from the bounded of the curve. What is the bounded the curve? The ellipse. The equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. In this, first we can change the y limits in x variable. Y square by b square equal to 1 minus x square by a square. Taking the LCM, a square minus x square by a square. From this, y square is equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square. Squaring, take square root on both sides. Then y equal to plus or minus b by a under root of a square minus x square. That is nothing but limits of y is minus b by a under root of a square minus x square less than or equal to y is less than or equal to b by a under root of a square minus x square. This is the y limits. Then for x limits, put y equal to 0 in equation 1. Then that is x square by a square equal to 1. From this, x square equal to a square. From this, x equal to plus or minus a. So then x limits are in between of bounded by the limits minus a is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to a. Here, the given bounded curve, given double integral is x plus y whole square into dx dy. This is equal to expansion of x plus y whole square, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy into dx dy. It is equal to, take the limits of x equal to minus a to a, take the limits y equal to minus b by a under root of a square minus x square but 2b by a under root of a square minus x square into x square plus y square plus 2xy into dx dy. Here, write the separate integrals. It is equal to integral x equal to minus a to a, integral y equal to minus b by a under root of a square minus x square to b by a under root of a square minus x square plus y square into dx dy. This is write separately, plus 2 write outside, integral x equal to minus a to a, y equal to minus b by a under root of a square minus x square plus b by a under root of a square minus x square xy dx dy. After the integration, this is y square. It becomes the y square. Y square power limits minus b by a to under root of a square minus x square plus b by a to under root of a square minus x square. If the integral y equal to minus b by a to under root of a square minus x square to b by a under root of a square minus x square, x into xy dy dx. This is equal to x. Y integration is y square by 2, limits lower limit to upper limit. When we can apply the upper limit minus lower limit, this is whole square minus of this whole square, it becomes reduced to 0. So this is eliminated. this is reduced to 0. Why? Because how we are getting means x into b square by a square into a square minus x square minus this whole square means minus into minus plus. Again, we are getting b square by a square into a square minus x square. Both will get cancelled. We are getting the 0. That is the simplification of the last integration, that is 2xy. So it is reduced to 0. We are integrating here only getting the integration of x plus y dx dy is equal to integral x equal to minus a to a, integral y equal to minus b by a under root of a square minus x square to b by a under root a square minus x square to x square plus y square whole dx dy. Now, first we are integrating with respect to y means we can write it as this minus 2 plus same limits means we can write to integral x equal to minus a2 plus a, integral y equal to 0 to b by a under root of a square minus x square plus y square dy whole dx. It is equal to 2 integral x equal to minus a to a, x square is a constant, 1 integration is y, limits from 0 to b by a under root of a square minus x square, plus y square integration is y cube by 3, limits from 0 to b by a under root of a square minus x square whole dx. This is the equal to 2 integral x equal to minus a to a x square b by a under root of a square minus x square plus b cube by a cube into 3, that is b cube by 3a cube under root of a square minus x square whole cube into dx. Here under root of a square minus x square is there. So we cannot do this one, or we can apply the, but here we cannot. Why? Because here x square is there. In this case, take x equal to a sine theta, then dx equal to a cos theta, theta differentiation is d theta. Next, a square minus x square equal to a square minus a square sine square theta. A square is taking common, 1 minus sine square theta equal to a square cos square theta. Take the under root, a square minus x square equal to a cos theta. Next, we can find out the limits also. Limits of x, lower limit, x equal to 0, that is 0 equal to a sine theta. From this, theta is sine theta equal to 0 by a equal to 0. From this, theta equal to 0. And upper limit x equal to a, then a equal to a sine theta. From this, sine theta equal to a by a equal to 1. So theta equal to pi by 2. Now we can substitute these all values in the above integration. That is double integral x plus y into dx dy is equal to 2 integral. It can be written as, here we can written as this is into 2 x equal to 0 to a. Here we can written as 2 into 2 integral x equal to 0 to a x square b by a under root of a square minus x square plus b cube by 3a cube under root of a square minus x square whole dx. Okay. Okay. Next, here substitute in the place of x square, what we are taking? a square sine square theta into b by a. Under root of a square x square is a cos theta plus b cube by 3a cube. Under root of a square minus x square is a cos theta whole cube. Dx is a cos theta d theta, and the limits 0 is 0, upper limit is pi by 4, pi by 2, sorry. It is equal to 2 to the 4, integral x equal to 0 to pi by 2. 1a cancel, b a square, and here also 1a is there, b a cube sine square theta cos theta into cos theta cos square theta plus 1a cancel, and here b cube a by 3a square. Sorry, here simplification, 1 minute. We cannot take like that. Why? Because here a cos theta whole cube, here 3a cube. 3a cube a cos theta a cube cos power 3 theta into whole d theta. It is equal to 4 integral x equal to 0 to pi by 2 b a cube 4 sine 2 sine theta cos theta whole square. 2 square means 4, in the denominator also here 4, plus a cube cancel, a b cube by 3 cos to the power of 4 theta whole d theta. It is right outside, 4 by 4 b a cube integral x equal to 0 to pi by 2 sine 2 theta whole square plus 4 by 3 a b cube integral x equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta means that is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 whole square d theta. Why? Because cos square theta, cos power 4 theta equal to cos square theta whole square. By using the cos 2 theta formula, 1 minus cos 2 cos square theta minus 1. From this 2 cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. It is 4 get cancelled. It's b a cube and integral x equal to 0 to pi by 2 sine square 2 theta means we can write it as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 minus cos 4 theta by 2 d theta plus 4 by 3 a b cube, here 2 to the 4, and x equal to 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta whole d theta. It is equal to b a cube by 2. 1 integration is theta, cos 4 theta integration is sine 4 theta by 4 plus 4 cancel plus a b cube by 3. 1 integration is theta plus 2 cos 2 theta integration is sine 2 theta by 2. This is the limits from 0 to pi by 2. Here also 0 to pi by 2. But this is different, that is plus a b cube by 3 cos square 2 theta, again we can write it as x equal to 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus cos 4 theta by 2 into d theta. It is equal to b a cube by 2 pi by 2 minus 4 sine 4 pi by 2 by 4. lower limit is 0 into 0, 0, it's 0 only, plus ab cube by 3, it's pi by 2, plus this 2 cancel, sine 2 pi by 2, lower limit 0, sine 0 is 0, plus ab cube by 3 into 2 into 1 integration is theta, limits from 0 to pi by 2, cos 4 theta integration is ab cube by 3 to the 6, sine 4 theta by 4, limits from 0 to pi by 2. It is equal to ba cube pi by 4, this becomes 0, sine 2 pi is 0, plus ab cube by 6 pi, this is 0, plus ab cube by 6 pi by 2, minus 0 is 0, plus ab cube by 6 sine 4 into pi by 2 by 4, minus sine 0 is 0. Here this part is 0. It is equal to ba cube pi by 4 plus a, it's 6, it's pi by 2, it's 12. ab cube into pi by 6 plus pi by 12. It is equal to ba cube pi by 4 plus ab cube 3 pi by 12. 3 ones are 3 fours are. Equal to ab pi by 4 into a square plus b square. This is the double integral of x plus y dx, x plus y whole square dx dy. This is the solution.